Hello friends, I'm Saurav and welcome to the PostgreSQL tutorials. And in today's video I will talk about the different kind of joins. First you need to understand what is a join. So a join is basically is used to combine two or more tables. Let's take an example. We have a table basket A. Okay, so this is one table, and then there is another table basket B. Okay, and we have to join both the tables. So as you can see, the basket A contains fruit name apple, orange, banana, cucumber, whereas the basket B contains the orange, apple, watermelon and pear. So in these two tables the apple and orange are common. Okay, yeah, so apple and orange are common. So let's begin with joining with the inner join. So inner join will only output the common record from both these tables. So if we join on this fruit column, then only the matching column will be returned. So let's write the query. So let's start from basket A, inner join, or we can also give an alias. So basket A, we give a alias A, inner join basket B. Then we have to mention a condition using the on clause, like on which column we have to join. So we are joining on the column fruit. So this is the fruit column. Okay, so we are joining on the column A equal to fruit equal to B equal to fruit. Okay, so once we execute this, sorry, I have done some syntax error. A equal to fruit and basket B, we have to give an alias B. So we have got this. Only the common records from both the table is output. We will get the output only the common record. So apple is and orange is common in both these tables. So first two column we are getting from the basket A table, and the second two column we are getting from the basket B table. Okay. So let's now do the outer joins. So outer join is basically it will give the output from one of the tables or from both tables irrespective of matching record or not. So let's first see what is the left outer join. Okay, so let's execute F1. So here, as you can see, the left outer join will give all the output from the left of the table. So left of the join, so left of the join is basket A. So basket A contains four fruit names apple, orange, banana, cucumber. So let's see basket A. So basket A contains apple, orange, banana, cucumber. Okay, and basket B and only the matching record from basket B, and this will give only the matching record from basket B. So matching record is apple and orange is matching with A, and if you see watermelon and pear, it is not present in the output of this outer join. So we can say that the left outer join will only give the uh, all the records from the left side of the join and only the matching records from the right side of the join. So since it is the other column is not matching, so we are getting the null in the last two fields. So let's check what is the right outer join. So the right outer join will just be the same as the left outer join. Just the difference is that it will give all the record from the right side of the join from basket B and only the matching record from the left, which is the basket A. So once we execute, as you can see, we are getting the watermelon and pear also. So and the null in case of those records which are not matching. And Okay, so let's see the last example, which is the full outer join. So full outer join, this will give all the records from both the tables whether they are matching or not. So we have to just write the full, and once we execute, we will get all the records from the basket A, apple, orange, banana, cucumber, and all the records from basket B, apple, orange, watermelon, and pear. But the records which are not matching, we will get the null records from the other tables. Like the first two output is from the first two field are from the table A, and the last two are from the table B. So those records which are not matching, we will getting the corresponding null values in the other table. So since banana is not present in basket B table, so it is, we are getting null. Since cucumber is not there, we are getting null. So one more useful thing that you can write. So in general interview question, it is asked if you want to get the output which is not matching all the output, all the fruit which are not matching in both the tables. So we can write like this, and we have to just give a condition where where a dot fruit is null or b dot fruit is null. So this will give the output only those which are not matching. Like banana is there in basket A table, but it is not there in basket B table. Cucumber A is in the basket A table, cucumber B is not in the basket B table. Then watermelon is present in basket B, but it is not present in basket A. So pear is present in basket B, it is not present in basket A. So such kind of thing you can do, and it is very useful. We can also join more tables. You have to like give condition here, another join from inner. Like if you want to, if you have a basket C, you can join on basket C on given alias C on C dot root is equal to B dot root or A dot root. Like this you can also join the third tip. So friends, this is all about the join condition. For more question you can ask in the comment section, and I hope you like this video. Just subscribe, hit like, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.